Hi everyone, it's Beth here at Fullerton, and today I'm going to personally show you how easy it is to place orders online if you're an authorized distributor, as well as show you how to access your 1% rebate that you earn when placing orders online at fullertontool.com. To get started, I'm currently on the homepage and logged into my account. So there are three ways that you can add items to your cart, and I'm going to show you how all three options are quick and easy. So the first we're going to do is search by part number. So this is great if you already know what product number you want to buy. So I'm going to use our trusty 32019, and with this you can either hit the enter or return key on your keyboard to submit it, or just press the search icon over here. And that redirects you to our tool search page, and it populates a card that gives you more specs on the item that you've added, as well as gives you your pricing and available stock. And from here you can choose your quantity. I'm going to use a quantity of 10 and hit the add to cart button. And I know it's been added to my cart because I can see this green pop-up over here confirming. Okay, so that was the first way. Super quick and easy, right? So now the next way is by utilizing our tool search. So I'm going to press the clear search button right here. So this is really great if someone just tells you that they want, say, like a 4-flute end mill with a square end type and a specific cutting diameter. So I'm going to quickly populate some fields here to show you how to utilize this. So I just entered my cutting diameter. Now I'm going to choose a square end type, and we're going to go with 4 flutes. And you can see that it's recommended our Intimidator, and I am going to select this item here. And then the slide out comes out. It gives us a little bit more of part specs, as well as our pricing and available stock. So let's see, I'm going to add 5 of these to my cart. Press the add to cart button, and then we get that same green confirmation pop-up. Okay, so that's the second way. The third way now is, say if you have multiple part numbers that you want to add to your cart quickly, you can use our quick add tool. So you can access it via the link right here within tool search, or you can access it via the plus sign on the navigation bar. I'm going to click that one, and then from here it populates this page. And all you have to do is plug in your EDP numbers and your quantities. So let's see, I'll do 10 of that, 5 of this, and 2 of these. And then from there, you can continue to add more part numbers, or when you're done, just hit the add all to cart. And then from that page, it directly brings you to your cart. And so you can see that we have all the items that we've added to our cart. And then we can see the rebate that we would earn from this order. And just hit the checkout button, and it will ask you to select a few things, and boom, you're done. It's easy peasy. The last thing I want to show you is quickly how to access your quarterly rebate. So you'll earn a 1% rebate off of your order total on all orders placed online at fullertontool.com. So to access your balance at any time, you just have to hit the My Account area, which will normally say like hi and your first name. I'm in a test environment, so it says test. And right here you can see over on the left-hand side in the black area, it tells us not only our discount, but also our rebate. So for this quarter so far, I've generated about $200 in rebates. But if I want to know more about where those rebate totals are coming from, I can click details on my rebate hit status. So then from there, it gives me a breakdown based on the invoices and how much I've earned from each invoice. Well, that's it for today. I hope you guys will give online ordering a try, and what better way to give it a try than with earning some extra cash while doing so. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.